Welcome back. Now let's handle the click events on the RecyclerView items. So when the user clicks on any item in this RecyclerView, there is a toast message shown displaying the name of the chosen item. For that, we need to go to my adapter class, and inside the myViewHolder class, I need to go to the init block and I need to specify the click listener. Item view set on click listener, and I need to use this form toast.makeText. And here I need to specify 3 parameters: the item view context, the message itself, you choose items list, and I need to pass the position, the adapter position, and I need to get the name. The third parameter, the length, which is toast.short. And don't miss to use the show method. Okay, now let's run our application. Here we go. If I click on the fruits, you can see this toast message. You choose fruits, vegetables, bakery, milk, and snacks. Okay, so congratulations guys, we succeeded in handling the click events on the RecyclerView item.